Look at that. That looks yum. I'm just gonna dig in from your side as well.
Yeah, go for it.
Yum.
With a little bit of vanilla ice cream, great dessert for a cold winter's night.
I just love the ice cream with like
the crumble. Oh,
yeah,
so
the
crunchy.
hotness of the apple pie.
Yeah. So some tips to remember is when you stew the apples, I like to just keep a little bit more liquid, because when you stick it in the oven as well, the liquid's going to bubble and it's going to evaporate and soak into the apples. The liquid just really keeps it nice and moist, because if you cook away too much water, then essentially your apple crumble gets a little bit too dry. So that's a little bit of that's just a little tip. So with that apple crumble, just remember the formula is double your flour to your butter ratio, and that'll get you the perfect consistency with your crumble. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. The code word for today is apple crumble. So if you've watched till the end, thank you so much. Give us some support, and all you gotta do is comment apple crumble down below. Give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. All right, guys, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.